Find the equation of circle in xy plane with center in point 5, 0 coordinates and radius with endpoint 4 and 3/4. We have to find the equation of circle. Let me remind you formula for equation of circle is x minus a to second power plus y minus b to second power equals r to second power. R is radius and AB are coordinates of center of circle. So we have to write this equation. We have center of our circle, we have coordinates of center of our circle, and we know that the radius has endpoint 4.34. So let me draw the circle. We have given center and endpoint we have on our radius. This radius we have center 5, 0 and endpoint of radius is 4, 3/4. To write equation of our circle, like I said, we need center and radius. We have center given. We need to find r. How we find the r, the radius? This is the distance between center and the given point. How we find the distance between 2 points? Let me remind you formula. The distance in our example will be equal r is equal square root of, and when we have given 2 points, x coordinates x1, y1 and second point is x2, y2. The distance between these 2 points is x2 square root, and in parentheses we have x2 minus x1 to second power plus y2 minus y1 to second power. In our example, we have that the first point has coordinates 5, 0, so this is our x1, y1, and the second point has coordinates x2, y2. First coordinates is 4 and the second is 3/4. So now we have to just substitute to our equation. R we copy is equal square root we have, and in parentheses we have x2, so this is 4 minus 5, x1 is 5 to second power plus y2 is 3/4 minus y1 is 0 to second power. So r is equal square root of 4 minus 5 is 1 to second power is 1 plus 3/4 minus 0 is 3/4 to second power, so will be 3 to second is 9, 4 to second is 16. So this is equal, we have square root of 1 and 9/16. We have mixed number. We can change this mixed number to the improper fraction. Denominator is 16 and 1 times 16 is 16 plus 9 is 25. So we have square root of 25/16. So r is equal square root of 25 is 5 and square root of 16 is 4. So we found the distance between these 2 points, and this distance is our r, our radius. So now we will come back to our formula, to equation of circle. Let me copy this one more time. We have x minus a to second power plus y minus b to second power equals r squared. Like I said, AB is center of circle, and we have given that this is 5, first coordinate, and the second is 0. So A is 5, B is 0. Let me write this. Coordinates of center of our circle, and r, we calculate that this is 5/4. So now we can substitute to our equation. We have x minus 5 to second power plus y minus 0. So we don't have, let me write this, minus 0 to second power. This is equal r 5/4 to second power. So we have x minus 5 to second power plus y minus 0 to second power. So this is y to second power. This is equal 25/4 to second power 16. 5 to second power is 25, 4 to second power is 16. So this is my solution. This is equation of circle.